Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She. So today is on Monday and I'm just sitting here feeling guilty because I had a class in the morning, but I think I just listened to my body a bit too much because like I just didn't feel like going. I don't know what happened. Like juadi nilikuwa nimeset alarm and then yeah, I don't know what I should do the rest of the day. But I think I'll study because I haven't gone to class, so like I must study. Like today is a must, like lazima nisome. And then I'm thinking of shooting a reel as I do my hair. As you can see, it's a bit nimeamka tu, so yeah, I'm thinking of that. Although IG reels will humble you guys. I prefer just posting pictures, but at the same time I'm a creator, so like I have to get out of my comfort zone. But one thing about Instagram reels, they'll humble you, like for real. So let me do that. Let me freshen up. Yep. Nothing lasts forever. Madness, heaven sends. Saw you Hi guys, so morning. My hair is in a mess. That's why I'm trying to like wear this. It looks weird. Okay, let me just take it off. Okay, let me just be, nobody cares. Okay, yeah, so I arrived safely, and yeah, so it's the next day. I'm here. I want to wash some utensils. They tumia for breakfast, and the weather is a bit cold. But one thing about here, guys, you'll add an ahema, miju kushiba, like you'll always be full. Like it's 11 and I woke up at around 9, nikakunywa chai na mkate. After that, around 10, sahani ya chakula. Like, yo, I'm full. I can't even believe I took all that food. Like, you food imetoshea wapi. Yeah, and then bado tutakula lunch, ukunywe chai, like, yo. Of late nimekuwa nikifeel like my mind is all foggy, you know. I really wanted to come here for this long weekend and, you know, just stay here, just see my relatives and just chill. So yeah, I've grown up here for most of my lifetime, and yeah, so let me just do some cleaning. My cousin is coming today. I'm trying to see her. She's my hotspot. Like, sijaingia online, like, guys. I'm just waiting for her to come and hotspot me, because yo. Anyway, let's do this. Let's clean. Chapati o'clock. Okay. Friends wako? Mazile baadhi watu wana madila kama ndio ndio kufunga. Tayari kana ile wraps kati. Ya dajero kaya baita tamanda. Hi guys, so I want to boil these rosemary leaves. I want to store them in a container and be using it as my hairspray. So I've always seen that it promotes hair growth, so that was one of my main agendas. And yeah, so let's do it.